Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start 14th chapter of class 7th symmetry. And first question of exercise 14.1 is copy the figure with punched hole and fixed. Find the axis of the symmetry for the following figures. So in the first figure, if we draw a line like this, then it will be the symmetry, or it will be the line of symmetry for the first figure. In the second figure, we have to draw a diagonal for this square, and it will be the axis of symmetry of the second figure, and in the same manner you can solve its remaining parts. Second question is, given the lines of symmetry, find the other holes. So in this question, other hole is just opposite to the first hole, so we can mark here for the second hole. In the second diagram, again we have to mark in the opposite side of the first hole, and in this manner you can solve its remaining parts. Third question is, in the following figures the mirror line is given as a dotted line, and complete each figure performing the reflection in the dotted line. Now in this question we have to complete the figure using the mirror line. For this we have to draw same diagram on the opposite side of this line. So in the first figure, half of a square is given here and we have to draw other half of this square. In this manner we can complete our diagram. In the second figure, half of the triangle is given in the question and we have to complete this diagram using line of symmetry, and in this manner we can complete all the diagrams given in this question. Our next question is, in the following figures have more than one line of symmetry. Such figures are said to have multiple line of symmetry, and we have to identify multiple line of symmetry, if any, in each of the following figures. In the first figure, it has 3 line of symmetry. In the second figure, it has 2 line of symmetry. In the third figure, it has again 3 line of symmetry. In the fourth figure, it has 2 line of symmetry. In the next figure, it has again 2 line of symmetry. Next figure has 1 line of symmetry, and in this manner you can solve its remaining parts. Now move to our next question. Next question is, take any one diagonal as a line of symmetry and set the few more square to make the figure symmetrical about the diagonal. Is there more than one way to do that? Will the figure be symmetrical about both the diagonal? So you can solve this question in the same manner as I did in question number 2. Move to our next question. Question number 6. Copy the diagram and complete each of the shape to be symmetrical about the mirror lines. So you can make the figure symmetrical about the mirror line as shown in the figure. Our next question is question number 7, and 7th question is, state the number of line of symmetry for the following figures, and first figure is an equilateral triangle. So in the first figure, a equilateral triangle, and it has 3 line of symmetry. Our next figure is an isosceles triangle, and in an isosceles triangle it has 1 line of symmetry. In the same manner, scalene triangle has 0 line of symmetry, square has 4 line of symmetry, rectangle has 2 line of symmetry, rhombus has 2 line of symmetry, and parallelogram has 0 line of symmetry. Quadrilateral has 0 line of symmetry, regular hexagon has 6 line of symmetry, and circle has infinite line of symmetry. Same manner you can solve its remaining parts. Now move to our next exercise, exercise 14.2. Second exercise, first question is which of the following figure have the rotational symmetry of order more than 1? So it is very clear from the diagram that figure A, B, D, E and F has rotational symmetry of order more than 1, because in this figures a complete turn more than one number of time an object looks exactly the same. Our next question is give the order of rotational symmetry for the each figure. So in our first figure, order of rotational symmetry is 2. In the second figure, order of rotational symmetry is again 2. In the third figure, order of rotational symmetry is 3. And in the same manner, you can solve its remaining parts. Now move to their next exercise, exercise 14.3. First question of this exercise is name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. So here a circle and square are the two figures which has both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Our next question is draw wherever possible a rough sketch of a triangle with both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So an equilateral triangle has both the line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1, and here is the diagram of equilateral triangle with axis of symmetry. Our next part of the question is a triangle with only line symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So a isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1, and here is the diagram of an isosceles triangle with axis of symmetry. In the same manner you can solve its remaining parts. In the same manner you can solve third, fourth and fifth question of exercise 14.3. Now move to our sixth question. After rotating by 60 degree about a center, a figure looks exactly the same as its original position. At what other angle will this happen for the figure? So other angles will be 120 degree, 180 degree, 240 degree, 300 degree and 360 degree, in which figure looks exactly the same. Our last question is, can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle of rotation is 45 degree and 17 degree? So if the angle of rotation is 45 degree, the symmetry of order is possible and it would be 8 rotation. And if the angle of rotation is 70 degree, then the symmetry of order is not possible.